Number 1. 1995 Ford F-15, price $7,500. This truck has 268,000 miles and is powered by the dependable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It runs very quiet with no leaks, smoke, noises, or warning lights, and shifts with zero issues. The truck features power steering, new power brakes, dual fully functional fuel tanks, ice-cold AC, and strong heat. Finished in red with a gray interior, it retains the original factory stereo, manual windows, and an interior that remains in excellent condition for its age. The dash is clean, all gauges work, and the windshield is crack-free. The driver's armrest has a crack, and the seat shows minor wear on the left side. Additional upgrades include a bed liner, receiver hitch, and many recent replacements such as new tires, battery, brakes, master cylinder, AC compressor, and related components. Number 2. 1991 Ford F-150, price $5,000, powered by the reliable Ford 300 4.9L inline-six gasoline engine paired with an M055 5-speed manual transmission. It is a two-wheel drive long bed truck finished in white with a gray interior. The truck is equipped with a limited-slip rear differential with a 2.73 gear ratio, making it comfortable and efficient for highway cruising. It runs and drives well, and both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional. The steering and suspension feel tight, contributing to a solid and confident driving experience. The battery is less than a year old, and both fuel tanks are in working condition. It also features a clean spray-in bedliner and a matching camper shell. The truck has been repainted at some point. While the paint job looks good overall, there are some visible imperfections. Number 3. 1992 GMC 1500, price $5,000, good-running pickup powered by a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission. The truck has traveled 166,000 miles and features a blue exterior that fits its classic design. It has been recently driven on multiple hour-long trips and performed without any mechanical issues, showing its reliability for regular use. The vehicle comes with a clean Texas title in hand, making the transfer process straightforward. While the truck runs and drives well overall, the heater is currently not functioning. With its dependable performance and classic full-size truck appeal, this GMC 1500 is a great candidate for a daily driver, weekend truck, or light restoration project. Number 4. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, with a 5.7L gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and 244,000 miles. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and a push-button 4x4 system. The truck runs and drives very well, offering a smooth and comfortable ride similar to a Cadillac. The 4L60 transmission shifts properly without slipping and is equipped with an auxiliary transmission cooler. The air conditioning works great with a new compressor installed last summer, and the heater is very strong. It also has relatively new Bilstein shocks and new paint. The truck does have a small power steering leak and some hail dents, which are cosmetic. Overall, this Sierra 1500 is a solid and comfortable 4x4 truck with minor flaws. Number 5. 2001 Ford F-150, price $5,525, with 166,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong and reliable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance for daily driving, work duties, and hauling needs. The truck features a clean white exterior combined with a gray XLT interior, offering a classic and timeless F-150 appearance. It comes with an extended cab and an 8-foot-long bed, making it highly practical for transporting cargo, tools, or equipment. The interior is spacious and comfortable, equipped with power options that enhance convenience for both driver and passengers. For safety, it is equipped with airbags and ABS brakes, reflecting Ford's solid truck safety design. The vehicle also comes with a clean title, making it a dependable and ready-to-go truck for work or everyday use. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, powered by a gasoline 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives great. The truck features a blue exterior with an eye-catching, authentic patina that gives it a classic and unique character, complemented by a clean black interior. It is equipped with power steering and power disc brakes, making it comfortable and easy to drive. The C10 sits on like new 20-inch US mag wheels with matching tires, enhancing both its stance and appearance. Inside, it includes a retro-sound Bluetooth radio and new custom gauges, all of which function perfectly. Additional upgrades include LED headlights for improved visibility. Rust is very minimal, the underside of the truck is very clean, and the cab mounts are in solid condition. The vehicle comes with a clean title, making it a well-maintained and highly desirable classic pickup.
Number 7.
1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This vehicle is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a red exterior paired with a black interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a factory fuel-injected 350 V8 engine. The truck runs and drives great and was originally built as a factory AC model. All air conditioning components are present, although the system is currently not working. It comes with power windows and power steering, and all lights and gauges function properly. The seat has been recently replaced, adding to the overall comfort. In terms of condition, the truck is almost rust-free and very clean underneath. It will require new tires, as the current ones are dry-rotted. The vehicle comes with a clean North Carolina title in hand, making it a solid and honest truck overall.
Number 8.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. It is equipped with a V8 engine from a Corvette featuring new seals throughout and a new oil pump, running smoothly with no knocks, ticks, or smoke. The truck has an updated fuel system with a new fuel pump, filter, carburetor, and regulator, along with a completely new cooling system. The brakes have been fully refreshed, and it rides on copper Cobra tires mounted on the original rally wheels. The rear end has new seals and fresh gear oil. Inside, it features a new seat, a rebuilt gauge cluster with all gauges working, and new weather stripping and window fuzzies. The body is very solid with no rust except for one small hole in the bed. The paint is decent overall, with wear on the hood and roof, making it a good candidate for a patina clear finish.
Minor needs include driver door hinge pins, a windshield replacement, and a transmission gasket. Number 9.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $3,500. This 1995 Ford Ranger is equipped with a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine, a manual transmission, and a fully functional 4x4 system. It has approximately 200,000 miles, a red exterior, and a gray interior. The transmission shifts smoothly, and a new complete clutch kit is included. There are 2 small rust spots on the rear corners of the bed. In the past year, the truck has received many updates, including 4 new tires, new shocks, brakes, U-joints, front bearings, starter, battery and cables, plugs and wires, water pump, fuel filter, thermostat, and serpentine belt. The AC blows cold, heat works great, and it features an aftermarket radio and heavy-duty towing hitch.
Inspected until March 2026 with a clean title in the owner's name. Number 10.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,300. It has accumulated approximately 245,000 miles and is equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a black exterior with a gray interior and comes well equipped with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors for added convenience. It also includes a sliding rear window, a bed liner, and a tow package with a receiver hitch, making it suitable for both daily driving and light hauling. Additional upgrades include a Jensen CD radio with remote control, an air-aid cold air intake with a throttle body spacer, and HID headlights. The truck does have rocker panel rust and will need a muffler replacement, although it currently produces a pleasant exhaust sound.